How to download and install the EVNG community version for Windows. Search EVNG in your browser. Open EVNG and go to Download section. Scroll down and download the free EVE Community Edition version. You can download it from Mega Mirror or Direct Link. I have selected Direct Link. You also have to download VMware Workstation Player free. It's been already downloaded in my device. Now we are going to install VMware Workstation. Accept the terms. When it installed, open VMware Workstation. So we have to create a new virtual machine. Choose I will install the operating system later. Next. If you are using Windows, select Windows. Maximum disk size should be 200. Now let's customize the hardware. The memory should be 16 GB. For processors, number of processor 1, and for co-processors 8. Select new CD. In this, use ISO image file. In this, you will use the EVNG ISO you downloaded. Close, then finish. This error happened because I selected the wrong folder. The folder I used was already in use. So we have to create a new folder for the VM. I have created a new folder BB. The issue should be resolved. We have successfully created the VM. Now power on the VM. Select Install EVNG. Choose your language. I have selected English. The login is admin and the password is Eve. EVE. The login is root and the password is Eve. Don't change anything, just do OK. OK, OK. EVNG is now successfully installed. You can use the IP that is given to you. So my IP is 192.168.176.128. Open your browser and type your IP. Login is admin and the password is Eve. Now you can create your own lab to practice in EVNG.